Welcome to the GuideStone Retirement Planning Tool Review, Usage Experience. I've included links to the product in the description below so you can easily explore more after this video. Today, I'll be walking you through GuideStone's retirement planning tool, discussing its key features, who it's best suited for, and my personal usage experience. GuideStone's tool is designed primarily for individuals who want to align their retirement investments with faith-based values, offering a faith-driven approach to financial planning. It's tailored for those who are looking for guidance in preparing for a secure retirement while adhering to specific ethical or religious investment principles. One of the standout features of the GuideStone retirement planning tool is its user-friendly interface. The tool provides a straightforward platform to help users evaluate their retirement goals, input various financial data, and project their future retirement income. It covers a wide range of factors, from current savings and expected Social Security benefits to retirement expenses and investment growth. It's particularly strong in providing easy-to-understand reports and visuals that map out your retirement readiness, so you can clearly see where you stand and what adjustments might be needed. GuideStone is ideal for conservative investors or those who prioritize ethical investing. Their funds are screened to avoid investments that conflict with certain moral values, making it a solid choice for individuals who want to ensure their retirement portfolio aligns with their beliefs. Additionally, the platform offers access to financial advisors who can provide personalized guidance, which is a great benefit if you prefer professional advice rather than a fully DIY approach. The tool offers flexible planning, allowing you to run multiple scenarios and understand how different decisions, like changing retirement age or adjusting savings rates, impact your financial future. It also emphasizes tax efficiency and long-term growth strategies tailored to conservative investors. GuideStone's tool is a fit for those who not only want to plan for retirement, but want to do so with an emphasis on ethical investments and faith-based guidance. If you're someone who values this kind of alignment in your financial life, GuideStone's planning tool could be a great option. Be sure to check the links in the description if you're interested in learning more.